Missing someone without you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I know I've been gone for a while because I've been taking a break from YouTube, but now I'm back and today we're going to be making banana bread. Now let's get started. This recipe is amazing. Little editing note, tell me what you think of the new intro. It took me a very long time to make and I really hope you like it. Back to the recipe. So you're gonna need 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 egg yolk, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 to 5 overripe bananas, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a cup of chocolate chunks. You can use dark chocolate chunks, but I use milk chocolate chunks. They turn out incredible. Now you're gonna start off by adding the 2 cups of flour in a big bowl. And you're gonna add to that the teaspoon of baking soda and the half teaspoon of salt. Mix it up super well, make sure everything is incorporated, set that aside. And then in another bowl, you're gonna add half a cup of melted butter and 1 cup of sugar. Enjoy my weird lopsided kind of broken pour. Anyway, you're gonna add the sugar and then you're gonna crack in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. As you can see here, I was kind of struggling to crack this egg. It kind of fell apart at the end. Anyway, ignore my egg cracking skills. You're gonna crack in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. You're gonna mix this up super duper well. Make sure the sugar is very well incorporated. And then after that, you're going to add the 1/4 cup of milk and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you're also gonna mix this up super duper well. And then you're gonna grab the 3 to 5 overripe bananas. By overripe, I mean this color. They gotta be this color. And if they're not this color, put them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 30 minutes until they're black. And then peel them, add them into the bowl, mash them up. I used a potato masher, but a fork will do just fine. And then you're gonna add them into the butter and sugar mixture. And you're going to mix it up super duper well. And then you're gonna add the 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You don't have to do this, it's optional, but you know, I wanted to add a little bit of spice. And then you're gonna add half of the dry ingredients. We're adding them in increments and you're gonna fold them in. The reason we're folding is if we mix, the bread is gonna turn out super dense and very, very hard to eat, which is why we're folding. You're gonna add half of the flour, fold, you're gonna add the other half, fold again so that we don't lose any air, and chunks are fine in this batter. Just make sure that you get every single pocket of flour in the quick dough batter. Anyway, you're gonna grab the chocolate and you're gonna chop it up into little chunks and then add it into the batter and fold it in also. Then you're gonna add it into a greased bread pan, greased and floured, and you're gonna bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius is 350 Fahrenheit if you didn't know. And look at how amazing this thing looks. It's so fluffy, super moist on the inside. It's not dense at all. It's not heavy on the stomach. It's delicious. You guys need to try this out. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And comment below what other recipes you want me to make. Bye bye.